I want to also show you this picture which got everybody very upset. The trolling which happened to the widow of this serving officer, it got people very upset because she didn't say the exact words that they wanted her to say. And uske baad, I've blurred it all because I don't want to give publicity to the people who have said these things. It was in very poor taste, the trolling that has happened. And I just cannot understand why this was done. Why not let her grieve, and why not let her have her say? She doesn't need to say the exact words that you need to hear. She is not in a mental state where her thoughts are clear as to what she ought to say. And she's a new bride. She's not a Fauji wife in that traditional sense of knowing exactly what to say when tragedy strikes. So could you please guide citizens as to how they should deal with such situations with sensitivity, and why not to be trigger happy on social media?
Ma'am, thank you. You asked this question. Ma'am, before coming to this incident proper, ma'am, we all have daughters, sisters in our families. And they all have their lifestyle. They all have their social media handles, and they post all types of photographs. It is their life, as long as it is legal in the country and they're not doing any illegal stuff. Now, if somebody has to pick up someone's daughter or sister's social media pictures and use it for trolling and put unsubstantiated allegations, whatever it is, I can be friends with anyone. We are an open society. Now, if somebody is tomorrow wanting to say, KJS Jhillo is friends with so-and-so, that's why he is bad. And that so-and-so is not a criminal, and so-and-so belongs to a particular set of people.
Yeah.
So, मैम, हमारी बेटियां हैं, हमारी बहनें हैं, हमें इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना चाहिए.
हाँ.
और दूसरी बात, हमें अपनी सभ्यता का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. हम तो वो हैं जो मिट्टी को भी माँ मानते हैं, धरती माता.
Yeah.
और 5000 साल पुरानी सभ्यता, उसके वंशज हैं हम. एंड व्हाट मैसेज आर वी गिविंग? हमारे यहाँ पे देवी देवताएं, देवियों की पूजा होती थी, कंजकें बैठती हैं मैम.
जी.
हम उस सोसाइटी का हिस्सा हैं. एंड वी आर stooping to these levels where a young wife who is still grieving, and some media bite says something, and she says something which is not aligning with your agenda, and you start trolling her. I was actually hurt.
Yeah.
And मैम, हम तो हमारी सभ्यता में तो औरत के स्थान ही अलग है.
Correct. Yeah.
औरत का स्थान ही अलग है हमारी सभ्यता में, हमारे कल्चर में, हमारी ट्रेडिशंस में. And we, of all the societies, Indians are doing this. It is very shameful.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.